Morning, everyone. This week's 5 in 5 is focused mainly on Monday CPL Day. So it's really just a quick overview and a couple of reminders for you. We're absolutely delighted to be welcoming back to the primary school Tom Sherrington. He'll be one of our guest speakers on Monday for primary colleagues, building upon the work they've already done around instructional coaching and the walkthroughs evidence-based strategies this year. We're also welcoming Andy Haley from UWC. He's the athletics director down there, and he's going to be doing some work with and hosting a webinar for our cross-campus coaches on ecological dynamics. So for information with regards to the day, please remember to just check the Firefly page. You can click through and you will find the secondary schedules, cross-campus team schedules, and the primary schedules. For secondary colleagues, for the Bring and Brag session, which is the first session of the day, the groupings for those sessions are now on the Firefly page. So please do check in advance which group you're in and where you're going to be. So the day will kick off with breakfast in the secondary canteen, and also lunch will be there as well. Please do remember to follow the social distancing guidelines when you're sat with friends and colleagues. There is some sessions happening in the theatre throughout the day. So if you will be in the theatre at some point, same rules apply there really. Please do sit downstairs and keep 1 seat apart. So we're just keeping ourselves that little bit safer. That's it from me. All that's left to say is thank you so much to those colleagues who are going to be facilitating and leading sessions throughout the day. We're very lucky to have you, to have the expertise and the depth and breadth of your knowledge, and that you're ready to and happy to share it with us across the school. So enjoy your weekend, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday.
Thank you, Catherine. That gives me 3 minutes to do 3 things. The first thing I'm going to look at is a very useful little website called Classroom Screen. So if I type in Classroom Screen and press enter, you get to this one here. It's called Classroom Screen Home, and you can launch it. You don't have to sign in at all. And it gives you all of these different widgets that you can add to your screen. So you can have a clock, you can have a stopwatch, timers, traffic lights, work symbols. You can even do a noise level so that when the noise level is too high in terms of the sensitivity, you get all these different things here. So Classroom Screen Home, bookmark it. It's very useful. The second thing that I'm going to look at is search in Outlook. Quite often you need to find emails quickly. I know people use folder structures, but that's probably for another video as to why you should or shouldn't use folder structures. But let's say if I'm in Outlook and I want to find an email. So when you click on the search box up here, the best thing to do is to click on this tiny little filter here, look, and in it you get all of these options to search much more strategically. So for example, if I want to find in the body of the email the exact word, so speech commas may CPL, for example, the exact words, that combination of words together, maybe I want to find it from Catherine and I want it to be sent directly to me as well in terms of the to box, BRTA, and I click search. What will happen, it will go off and find that combination of those 2 words. That must have been some time ago actually, so I'm going to go to more on the server, and you can see here in 2001 I've got May 2001 May CPL sent from Catherine directly to me as to what's going on. So click on the filter and use these things here, and you'll see actually you can start to get used to these sort of command words. Look, from Catherine Hume, contents. So to search in the body, contents, put it into commas, and you get the whole thing. Okay, very quickly, the last one, pop out video in YouTube. In YouTube, you can make the videos pop out. If you type in YouTube tab, then you can search YouTube already. So 5-minute video, 5-minute timer. So I'll get 5-minute timer videos from that perspective, so that when I click on this, I get a 5-minute timer. What I'm going to do is right click and then move my mouse and right click again, and I get picture in picture, which means now I can have my 5-minute timer floating over the top of absolutely any resource I want. So useful in the classroom, pop out videos, right? And I click pause on that. And hopefully that's less than 3 minutes. Have a great weekend, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.